This one of my AI blog is instantly approved via Google AdSense. If you see here, this is the same website URL. If you see in the browser, I can refresh to show you this is the same URL of the website that is instantly approved by Google within 24 hours. If you can see here, this website is auto optimized and auto ads are also running on this. And if I refresh this also, I can show you this is approved. If my subscribers remember, I was created a video which is on my channel, this video just 22 hours ago, and just 22 hours ago this website was built, and then I applied for the Google AdSense and it has been approved by Google AdSense. And if I go to the dashboard of the traffic, I can show you the traffic of this website. If you can see here, this is my website that I was created last day. My subscribers know that who watched my video. And if you go here to check the traffic of this website, I just click on analytics and see the traffic. You can see this is getting the views. Page views are 498 and the visit duration is 21 minutes and bounce rate is this. And if you see here the YouTube traffic direct to google.com, it means search engine traffic. And here are the pages that are getting the traffic, and these are the countries where from this website is getting traffic. And this website is just created 24 hours ago. I mean, within just 24 hours this website has been approved by Google. How I did this, I already created a video that is on my channel. You can watch this. Also, I'm going to create another video, another step-by-step guide where the following you can completely get a Google AdSense approved website within just 24 hours. I'm not going to use this guarantee, but by following this method, I am sure you will get approved by Google AdSense within just few hours. If I can refresh this browser, I can just give you again this proof. So here, this is approved by the Google AdSense. So if you go here in the sites, and here you can see this is getting registration, and this was not approved by Google, so this is in the review, but this is getting ready position. So here I will give you the step-by-step guide how you can create a website that will be approved by Google AdSense within just 24 hours. As a very first step, you need to go here Lovable.dev, any AI platform that you can use, but I am using Lovable because this is more reliable. And also I am providing the prompt that I'm going to use here into the description. You can just copy and paste here the prompt and change your topic. Now, this prompt I have given into the description. You can just copy and paste here, and here you just need to change your topic. For example, AI tools is my topic. Here you can change with your own topic, and here I have provided the complete prompt. Into the description, you can just go and copy this prompt. So I will just click on this button, and keep in mind the Lovable.dev is free of cost. It gives you 5 credits per day. It means with 5 credits you can easily create a one blog, and in the next day you can start writing your blogs. So this is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything for the Lovable. If your credits are expired, you can wait for 24 hours, and after 24 hours the credits will be renewed. And here I just click on enter. Now this is analyzing our prompt. So here it's asking some questions, so I'm not answering. I just give this prompt. I will give you the prompt here for the blogs to write. Okay, so here I just click here enter, so it will understand the answer. Here it's generating. Another request to my visitors, and 90% of my visitors does not subscribe, do not like the video, do not comment. I create the videos for you, and please like the video, subscribe my channel, and hit comment for your topic that you need a next video. It will be very helpful for me. So it's asking for the where your project should be hosted. So here is the Asia prefix. So I say Americas, so it should be hosted in Americas, and here I just select allow. Now our AI tools blog is ready. If you go here and if you see this one post, and here is the featured image, and here is the complete article, and here is the images of this website, internal images, and here is the FAQs. This is amazingly done. Now I want to write another blog, so I say write another blog. So I just give this prompt, write another running blog post, and it will write an amazing blog or an article for us that will be amazingly done as other articles are done. So again, I request you, if you have watched this video till this, so please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Now you can see it has been created an amazing post for us, another post that has been created here, you can see. So let me see how this has been generated. You can see this is the featured image, the title and the text, and then paragraphs, headings, and internal image. Again, the internal link, you can see this is the external link. So this is amazingly done beautifully. A blog is written, so it means it's writing amazingly for us. So now we are going to publish our website. So here click on publish, and here is the trend digits. So I say trend digits, so I just say trend hub, for example, and here I just click on here. So this is not available. Okay, so trend hub is not available, so trends hubs is available. So you just need to click here, continue. You can also add a custom domain here if you want to add. So I will create a separate tutorial how you can add the custom domain here. So here I just click on continue, and here you just need to click on continue again, and click on continue, and click on publish. So this website will be published and live. Now our blog is live. You can see this is the URL of our blog. If you copy this URL, go into the new tab and paste here, and see the live preview of our blog. Now you can see this is our blog which is looking live, and there are just 2 posts for now. Now we are going to index this website into the Google, because for now it will not be available for the Google pages. So to do that, you just need to index this into the Google search console. So how you can do that? This is very simple. To do that, you just need to go here, search.google.com/search console, and there you can add your website for the search console here. So here, for example, these are my properties that we are available here, already added here. So I just add a new property here. So here I just click here, and here click on add property, and here you can see we select URL prefix. So here we need to add our lovable website URL. So you just need to click here, continue. Now it's verifying the property. So to do verify, you just need to click on HTML tag, copy this, click on this copy button, go back to lovable here, and here you just need to paste here, and I just write here. So I just enter this prompt, verify Google Search Console code, and hit enter. It will verify for us. Now it's saying that it has been added. Click on publish again, and click on updates, because without update this code will not be updated on the website. Now it has been updated. I will go back into the verification step and click on verify. Now the ownership of this website has been verified. Now you just need to go into the property. Now I need to add the sitemap here. So to do that, I will go back, and here I will just say, so I will say generate the sitemap for this website. If you already have created, it's not working. I mean your old sitemap is not working for me. Okay, so it will generate a sitemap for us. Now it has been created a sitemap, but this is an external link, so we don't need an external link. So I just say this sitemap should be live here. So I have given the URL of our own website. So the sitemap should be appear here. So it should be on your own blog. I mean, it should be live on our own blog, not on external URL. Now you can see it has been added the sitemap. So we need to again click on publish, click on update, because without update the updates will not be live. Now it's live. We will again refresh our this sitemap URL to verify is it appearing here or not. Sitemap has been updated, so I will just copy here just sitemap.xml, and here I will paste here and just click on submit. Keep in mind it will take time to fetch data, because this here you can see could not fetch, but it will take some time to fetch the data from the sitemap. So now this website has been successfully added into the search console. Now the next step is how you can add your website into Google Analytics to check the analytics of your website. To add your website into Google Analytics, first of all you need to go here analytics.google.com, and here you just need to click on this create button and then click on property, and here you just need to enter the property name. You can name it anything. For example, I just name it Lovable, and click on next button. Now it's asking some questions, so I just select news, and here just select small and click on next, and here I just select view user engagement and other business objectives and just click on create. Here it's asking which platform you are using, for example website, Android apps or iOS. So I just select the web. Here it's asking the URL of our website. So this is our available website URL. I just copy this and paste here because we already have added HTTPS. So I just remove the HTTPS. And here you just need to name it. You can just name it anything. So I just name it Trends Hub and click on create and continue. And here you can see the Trend Hub has been added into Google Analytics. You just simply click on next button. It's asking the verification of our website Google Analytics. You just need to copy this code, go into Lovable, paste this code and enter this prompt. Paste this code into the header section of the website into Google Analytics and simply click on enter. Please wait a while, it will take few seconds. Now it has been updated. You just need to click on publish and click on update. Keep in mind, before updating, it will not update your website live. Now it has been updated. So you just need to go back into Google Analytics and click on test installation button. It's testing installation. Now you can see your Google tag was correctly detected on your website. It means it has been detected, and here you can see there is a simple warning that data collective is not active for your website. It will take 48 hours. So it can take 8 hours to detect your website and making live. So don't worry about that, just cut this off. Now to review your website analytics, you just go back into analytics.google.com, and here you can select your property that you have recently added. For example, this is Lovable property that we have recently added. You just need to click on Lovable, and here you can see we can see the real-time overview of our website as well as. So this is how you can add your website into Google Analytics. Now we are going to learn how we can apply for Google AdSense for a Lovable website. So this is very simple. You just need to go here adsense.google.com, and here you just need to click on new site, and here you just need to paste your website URL and click on save. And here is asking for verification of your website. So you just need to copy this code and paste into the Lovable and verify. So it's verifying now. Now click on publish and update. Now you just need to go back into Google AdSense and click on I have placed the code and click on verify. So now you can see our website has been verified. You just need to click on next. Now it's review requested, and it can take more than 48 hours, and it can also take 2 to 4 weeks. So you just need to wait for this time, and this will accept your website or reject for reviews. So if it's reject, you just need to see the errors on your website and fix, and then you can apply again. So this is how you can apply for Google AdSense for your Lovable website. I hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.